So y'all, you guys already know who it is. It's your boy Adrian. I'm back with another video. We're playing Gta5. As you guys see, I'm at Franklin's house right now, and I'm gonna be driving my motorcycle, Michael's car, and especially my Range Rover over here inside my garage. Right now, I'm gonna be driving my Bagger or something like that. This motorcycle's car, it's a beast. Let's cook colorway green. Let's see what this baby got. So as you see, I'm driving around. Almost crashed right there. This baby fast too. Dang, crashing. Look at this baby driving on the road. Fast right here. Going around. Don't know how I ended up right here. So right now I'm going back home to get my Franklin's car. Franklin's car, the white and red one. I just customized it a little, like I just put a little touch of red, to like make it a little cooler, cause I was like bored of seeing the car white, so I just decided to add like a little of another color, and I added red. So you guys are gonna see. Wait until I get there. My house is right around the corner from here right now. I'll be there in no time. So as you see, I'm going right now, and which is I'm here. I'm gonna go get chopped too. So I'm just gonna park this baby right in the garage. Like that music right now. Loving it. So I got my Range Rover right there. I'm gonna go get chopped to ride with us in the car. So let's go get chopped. Look at him coming out. He looks fucking beast. Got a pile of poop right there. Look at him right there. Looks beast. Let's go for a walk. As right now I'm playing Gta5 on my Xbox 360. So as you guys see, there's Chop running behind me. And then I got the touch of red right there. So come on, Chop. Get in there. Get in, Chop. So we're gonna wet my seats. So let's do this. Let's go test out this baby. This baby is fast, like no lie. Look at this. It's not so fast at all. Not that fast, but it is fast. Oh man. It's raining right now. I think I fucked up one of my tires. I'm pretty sure it's this one right here. Oh no, I think it's not. Yeah, it's the front one. It's not moving. Fuck. This is fucked up. It was just one crash. I just gonna go home right now and test out my Range Rover in the garage. Yo, I'm just fucking this up right now. Like, I already fucked up a tire. Look, it's not even moving. It's like braking. Like, you can see the yellow stuff when I'm driving. Oh fuck! No! I'm gonna shoot you too. I'm gonna get my gun. As you guys see when I'm driving, when the wheel in the front on the right is not really moving. See, as you guys see, it won't move. So I'm just gonna go home right now and get my Range Rover because this car's fucked up. I fucked it up. So I'm heading there right now. Just need to make a turn right here. It's not turning really well because, you know, I fucked up the tire, so sorry about that, guys. Tire's not moving that much. Oh, fuck. Now you won't move. I just literally fucked up the front. Like, look at that. I just fucked up the two lights in the front. The headlights. Fuck. Chop, you want to come too? Yeah, I'm gonna take Chop. Fuck, I need to move the car like a little over there. Chop, where are you going? Oh.
Yo, get in, Chop.
Just gonna try to park this a little over there where it was. Park it there.
Get in, boy.
Just gonna move the camera there a little. Trying to zoom a little. Got my Range Rover right there. Looking cool. White and black. A little touch of black right there because, you know. This car was not cheap. I'm telling you guys that right now. You guys want to buy this? It's not that expensive. It's not that cheap. It's like in the middle. Like, you guys get me? Yeah, you guys get me. It's not that much. As you guys see, I haven't fucked this nigga up. I haven't fucked it up, so good. Gonna move the camera. So talking about not crashing, I just crashed, but I think it's just a little scratch. Oh god, yeah, it's just a little scratch. Did not fuck up no lights. Good. Like. So right now I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna adjust the camera right there.
It's time for a commercial. Besides, I need to go hit the head.
What happened, Chuck? You saying? Yeah, I'm bored too. I'm just gonna go home right now.
All natural enemas for every occasion. Get that minty fresh taste with a peppermint enema, or be hydrated from behind with a coconut water enema. Acquire.
Go. Oh fuck. I'm gonna go to the map. And you guys already know I'm playing offline. Just gonna go home real quick.
Je ne sais quoi, a Frenchman with a garlic enema. We've also got relaxing and inspiring flavors like Irish coffee, fruit juice, hamburger meat.
So I'm going home right now. As you guys see, driving in my Range Rover pretty fast off foot.
With the St. Petersburg surprise. Rectify Holistic. Come and get properly cleaned today.
So you guys see I'm almost already home. Just need it. Is that my house? Nope. It's the next one. Yep. So this is it, guys. I tested all my 3 vehicles right now. I just started, so though I know I have like not that much cars. My garage, my house, Franklin's house. So comment, and you guys already know, comment and subscribe, and see you guys later.